Store, Chinese name Dou Jianzhi. I'm working as international sales in Qingdou Z-Color Packaging, a very professional producer of plastic pouches located in Qingdou, China. As you can see in front of me, there are several kinds of poly pouches. This is flat bottom pouches, and this is stand-up zipper pouches. This is aluminum foil pouches for coffee packaging. And also there are many other pouch items, like in my hand, we produce for our customers. We have been supplying many kinds of pouch items to our customers, and since 2011, I have been providing packaging bag products to our customers. And in these 6 years, I have been got many packaging experiences regarding these aspects, and packaging bags and how to finalize better packaging for kinds of products such as food, dog treats, pharmaceutical products, etc. So here we are launching video explanations regarding the poly pouches, plastic pouches, and how to finalize better packaging effects, and hope it is helpful for our customers. Here is a standard pouch intended for packing dog treats. As you can see, this pouch is of great stiffness and very stand-up on the effects. Also, this pouch is of great mechanical strength that will be able to provide a great pouch for the inside products. Okay, let's come into the details and see how this pouch is going to fill the final packaging applications. This is a zipper standard pouch intended for packing dog treats. As you can see, there is a clear front window on the front side of the pouch, and the consumers will easily see the products inside. And also there is a bright metallic background at the back side of the pouch. And this metallic background will reflect the products in a fantastic way. For example, when the colors for the products is some kind of orange or cute, then the metallic background will reflect the products in a more attractive way. Okay, let's have a basic understanding on the graphic for this pouch. The width is 208 mm and height at 264 mm. Also, there is a bottom gesture with single depth at 38 mm. And the pouch is at this size is able to pack 5 grams of products. Also, there is a handle on the top of the pouch near the cut lines that is able to enable the pouch to be hung on the shelf, and the turn notch on both sides that will enable the pouch to be easy use at the consumer side. When we look at the full structure, you can see that the nylon film working as printing substrate for the pouch, and also it has some kind of barrier performance for this pouch. And the VMPT film, 12 microns, short for vacuum metallized polyester film, also working as a middle supporting layer for this pouch. And you can see the inner LDPE film is 120 microns. So the total thickness for this pouch is around 150 microns. That will achieve a great stiffness for this pouch and enable the pouch to stand up well on the shelf effects. And the zipper is embedded into the pouch, as the dog foods will not be consumed in just one time. And the material for this zipper is LDPE that will just match the inner seal layer for this pouch. And you can see the zipper is a single track, and also we are able to provide a double track zipper and outside zipper. This is all upon customer requirements. And usually the width for the zipper is 13 mm and realized on the pouch. So with these 3 layers of lamination and converting into pouches, we can achieve these several advantages. First, vivid printing and high color fidelity on the pouch, and great barrier performance will against the moisture, oxygen, and outside factors will protect the dog foods from outside contamination. And this pouch will stand well on the shelf and present great shelf effects. Also, of course, this pouch is great anti-puncture ability, will not easily break during filling the products. With ISO and QS certification, our company is providing plastic pouches for food packaging applications. We promise our plastic pouches are BPA free and intended for food direct contact purposes. Here is our grower printing machine, and we provide grower printing services for our customers. Also, the lamination is achieved by solvent or solvent-free lamination between different layers, and this laminated foil is then converted into pouches on the bag making machines. Okay, let's have a close look on this dog treat stand-up pouch. We are a very professional producer of all kinds of plastic pouches located in Qingdao, China. Any questions regarding packaging bags or you have any packaging problems, you may reach us for further ideas.